Greetings and welcome to Finance Hub, where we delve into the latest developments and trends in the realm of finance and investments. Our discussion for today's video revolves around Tesla's potential stock buyback program, a topic that has garnered significant attention from investors and analysts in recent months. This move by Tesla has the potential to revolutionize the company's financial health and future performance, and many investors and analysts are eagerly anticipating its implementation. To learn more about this topic, stay tuned. And before we proceed with further details, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. The primary electric vehicle stock has been experiencing significant fluctuations for a while now, and a stock repurchase at this time could potentially be highly advantageous for the company. Despite recently announced poor Q4 data, the possibility of a stock buyback program for Tesla has been increasingly discussed among investors in recent months, especially after Elon Musk mentioned the idea on Tesla's Q3 earnings call. Musk stated that even if 2023 turns out to be a bad year for Tesla, the company could still conduct a buyback worth $5 to $10 billion. Musk, the CEO of Tesla, remarked that it's likely that they'll conduct a significant buyback. However, it is important to note that this is still pending board review and approval. Many experts in Tesla have been discussing the likely benefits of a stock buyback for the company over the past few months, and Musk has emphasized that while the market tends to focus on the short term, it is crucial to concentrate on the long term. Picture a bustling marketplace with active buyers and sellers. A company, like a vendor in this marketplace, offers its shares for sale, but sometimes it chooses to buy back some of those shares, effectively becoming a buyer in the market. This move can have numerous benefits, such as supporting the stock price by reducing the number of outstanding shares. By doing so, a buyback can increase earnings per share and make the remaining shares more valuable. As a result, this can boost shareholders' confidence and help support the stock price. So, how can investors make the most of a buyback? Understanding the data of a stock buyback can be advantageous for several reasons. Firstly, it can help time the market. Buybacks can serve as an indicator of how a company perceives current market conditions. If a company announces a buyback, it can signal that they believe their stock is undervalued and that they're confident in their prospects. Conversely, if a company stops or reduces buybacks, it can signal that they believe their stock is overvalued and that the market may be in a bubble. This is why Tesla's stock fell in the middle of 2022 when Elon Musk started selling his own Tesla shares. Secondly, buybacks can impact the company's stock price either positively or negatively. If a company buys back a significant amount of its shares, it can reduce the number of shares available in the market and increase earnings per share, leading to a higher stock price. This was the case for Tesla's Q4 earnings report, where the electric vehicle manufacturer exceeded expectations in both earnings and revenue. After reporting earnings following the market close, Tesla's recent announcement that it could produce 2 million cars this year led to a 5% rise in shares. And after-hours trading on the day of the announcement saw adjusted earnings of $1.19 per share, exceeding the expected $1.13 per share, according to Refinitiv. Additionally, revenue for the quarter was $24.32 billion, higher than the expected $24.16 billion from Refinitiv. Compared to the year-ago quarter, Tesla's revenue was $17.72 billion, with adjusted earnings of $2.52 per share or $0.85 when adjusted for August 2022. In Q4, the company reported automotive revenue of $21.3 billion, indicating a 33% year-over-year growth with $467 million coming from regulatory credits. However, on Monday, after the quarterly deliveries report was released, the company's shares closed down 6%. Some investors are worried that more price cuts will be necessary to drive sales, which could eat into margins. Over the weekend, Tesla reported a record-breaking delivery of 422,875 electric cars in the first quarter of this year, with a total production of 440,808 cars, representing a 4% growth in deliveries from the prior period. Despite this, some investors are still concerned about the repeated price cuts that Tesla has implemented in the US, China, and Europe. Tesla has explained that some of the reductions in the U.S. were done to allow Tesla and its customers to take advantage of tax credits available under the Inflation Reduction Act. Investor Leo Kogwan, Tesla's third-largest individual shareholder, has been vocal about the company's free cash flow of $2.2 billion in Q1 of 2023, which he expects to rise to $8 billion this year and $17 billion next year after factoring in capital expenditures. Kogwan believes that Tesla can invest in full self-driving, its Optimus bot, new factories, and buy back its undervalued stocks. YouTuber Dave Lee also believes a buyback is feasible, given Tesla's potential to produce 10 million vehicles annually with an operational profit of $15,000 per vehicle, making it a viable competitor to established automakers. Despite the global chip shortage, Tesla achieved record sales in every quarter, selling nearly twice as many vehicles as the previous year without being hampered by the crisis. This suggests that emerging electric vehicle firms, including Tesla, could pose a more imminent and potent threat to the dominance of industry behemoths such as Volkswagen and General Motors. With an annual operating profit of $150 billion and a 30 times multiple from investors, Tesla's total value could be $5.4 trillion. Leo Kogwan has been advocating for a buyback for several months, and a petition with over 5,300 signatures has been started to request that Tesla buy back some of its shares. With Tesla's stock price plummeting by 50% in 2022, the company may face heightened pressure from activist investors in 2023. Despite its substantial growth, this news is significant for Tesla bulls who believe in the long-term prospects of the company. Thank you for taking this journey with us as we delve into the current news of Tesla stocks. This is all for this video. Like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.